Good afternoon, students. March 18th, 11:45. This is number 20 off the triangle proof practice that several students got this one incorrect also. So I just went on ahead and screenshotted. This is pretty much like the primary answer I received for number 20. So I want to kind of go over and talk about why this problem is not fully correct. Well, first, what's given to us, we have PQ is congruent to TU. Okay, that's perfect. That's a segment there, so we have that. And then we have angle P is congruent to angle T. They have one hash mark, so that makes sense. Then we have angle Q is congruent to angle U, and they both have two hash marks. So everything is laid out perfectly for us. They've given us everything for this triangle, but it's just the reason that I'm confused as to why people put this down. This is angle, side. Now, what this means is that you're going to have two angles, and then you're going to have a non-included or an excluded side. So you have two angles and then a side that's on the outside of your angles. I mean, it's set up the exact way that you say it, angle, side. But looking at this image up here, we see that we have an angle that both of them share, or they're both congruent. Then we have a side, then we have that double arced angle. So we actually have an angle, side, angle. If you look right here, we have a side that is included between the two angles. It's the same exact way in which the postulate is set up. The side is included between the angles. So side is between, we can put included. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for the sloppiness. The side is between, included the angles, between the angles. It is included between the angles. So it wouldn't be angle, side. Yes, it has a lot of the same components, but if you look at it, a lot of the theorem, a lot of the postulates besides hypotenuse, leg, and side, they have a variety of some of the angles and sides intertwined. So you're going to have, in this case, two angles and a side represented, yes, in both of those postulates, AAS and ASA. But look and see where the sides or the angles are positioned. An angle, side, the side is not included between the two angles. And looking at our diagram, that's not what we have here. But for angle, angle, the side is included in between the angles. So in this case, this answer for this one should have been ASA. And then also, again, I screenshotted this from someone's work. This did not end in QED, and a lot of you had that mistake. So you have to make sure you have QED at the end of your proofs for the take-home exam today, or you're not going to get any credit for any of the ones that you completed that don't have QED. This is number 20. I did 8 previously, and then I'm going to try to get number 21 completed also, because people also had a lot of issues with number 21. Okay.